In this lesson, we'll look at different ways to display the contents of a file and how to use Nano Editor. You can use the cat command to display the contents of a file. More command will allow you browse through a file or page through a file. The less command is like more except it has more features. When using when using the commands more or less, use the space bar to navigate to the next page. Use enter to step forward, one step forward, and Q to quit the file, viewing file. Commands are based on VI editor, which we'll be covering in next lesson. By default, head and tail display 10 lines. So if you want to see last 15 lines of a file, you can run a command tile space hyphen 15 and followed by the file name. The cat command can be a fine. The cat command can be fine way to view files that have static content. However, if you are trying to keep up with changes that are being made to a file in real time, that's not your choice. You should use file space hyphen F followed by the file name. You would use this to look at the files that change often. For example, log files, you may want to start a program and look at the program's log file to say exactly what it's doing. Again, in this case, we use tile space hyphen. And the file you want to follow, I'll show you this in practical. Let me view the file of contents of file one. These are all these many lines are present under this is the content present under file one file. Now if we run head against that file, we'll see the top 10 lines only. Let me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12 13 14. Nearly we have 16 lines, right? So let me run head command, head file one. So it should show 10 lines. See, it has displayed 16 and 10. 10 lines have been displayed. And tail command, and if you want to see, let me see. If you want to see only top two lines, we can run head space the number which you, how many lines you need, and followed by the file name. Click on enter. See, we have mentioned only two lines. So two lines have been displayed. And tail command will display the last 10 lines in that file. Here head command will display first 10, right? Now the tile command will display last 10. Tile space hyphen file name file one. Click on enter. See, it has been displayed last 10 lines of content. Let's say we only want to look at last line, we can run tile space hyphen one and followed by the file name. This will give you the output of last line of the content. See, it is this 15 is the last line in the content. See, 15 is the last line. Now Here I have run, I have changed the directory cd slash var slash log, and I'm I'm running the command more command here. Using spacebar, using spacebar you can move to the next page, and if you want to go down just one line, click on enter. Before doing, click on enter. And if you have many files, you can stop them with the control C also. Now less command is very similar. Again, can do this for the same. See, by using enter, you can go to the one by one line, and by using space bar, you can go to the next page. And by clicking on Q, it quits. Now let's run the tail command. Tail space hyphen F font config dot log. To follow the file, and as you can see here, the file is being written and the screen gets updated that info has the file grows. To exit, you can click on Control C. Control C. I think there might be an issue with my system. Let me run again. Yeah. Yeah, by using Control C, we can stop this. Now, if you need to edit a file, you can use Nano. Nano is a clone of Pico. So if for some reason the Nano command isn't available, try Pico. It's very easy to learn, but it's not as advanced as some of other like other editors like VI or Emacs. Let's see this Nano in practical. Let me show that also. Let me clear. See, I want to edit Nano file one. We in previous we have used we have the content under file one, right? So I want to edit this file one. So when you execute Nano, you can able to see the content or the list of lines, and here we have few of the commands at the bottom of your screen. Here caret symbol represents the control key. So if we look in the bottom left corner, we have control X means exit. It will do that now. I'll do that now. Control X. We have exited from the file. Now we'll edit the file by using the arrow keys. For example, if we have down arrow, we can go down, and with up arrow we can up, and for left we can go right also. Like this, we can use the arrow key. So let's do some modification. So here we have to write out control O. So here it is asking file name to write. If we want to override the file name, we can type other name. No, I don't want to overwrite now. Then we can click on enter. And let's exit from this. Yeah. See, the changes have been displayed here. No other thing is control G. When we do control G, let me do. Yeah. Control G to get help and provides the information about how to use the nano command. By going through all this information, you got to know how to use nano commands and all the commands. There are various commands that you can use to display the contents of file, including cat, head, tile, more, and less. The nano editor may not be extremely powerful, but it is easy to use and you can learn it in a very short span of time. See you in the next session.